I think the closing message is to focus inwards, understand your mind, the brain, mind, how it works. Unfortunately, these kind of things are not taught in school or college unless you choose that particular subject. So we are black boxes that are running without knowing what's inside us. I think if we figure out how our mind works, we can use it much more effectively. It has made a difference in my life. I would never in my life have imagined that the kind of person I am today if I had not undertaken this journey of understanding the brain, mind, consciousness, ethics, morality, all those interlinked things. Uh, the brain is the world's most powerful technology or tool. It simply makes sense to study it. It simply makes common sense to study it rather than to ignore it. And that can reap the best possible reward. I mean, if you study the most complicated thing, that is the most powerful thing in the universe, definitely you're going to get something out of it.